Welcome back to Nothing But Wild. In the animal kingdom, not all mothers are nurturing, selflessly raising their young. Some engage in behaviors that seem, well, downright cruel. Today we're diving into the top 10 worst mothers in the animal kingdom and exploring why they act the way they do. From shocking acts of abandonment to even cannibalism, we'll uncover the science behind these seemingly heartless actions. Our first stop takes us high into the mountains, home to the black eagle. These majestic birds of prey have a ruthless approach to parenting. The mother lays 2 eggs, but often only 1 chick survives. Why? Because the older chick, stronger from hatching a few days earlier, will attack its younger sibling, often pecking it to death. The parents rarely intervene, their instinct seemingly accepting this brutal form of sibling rivalry. It's a harsh reality, but in the unforgiving environment they inhabit, ensuring the strongest offspring survives is paramount. The cuckoo bird is a master of deception. Rather than raising her own chicks, she slyly lays her eggs in the nests of other birds, leaving the unwitting foster parents to do all the work. The cuckoo chick, often larger and more demanding than the host's own offspring, will even push its foster siblings out of the nest, ensuring it receives all the food and attention. This parasitic behavior, while seemingly cruel, is an incredibly successful evolutionary strategy, allowing the cuckoo to reproduce without the burden of parental care. The icy landscapes of the Arctic are home to the harp seal, a species known for its incredibly short period of maternal care. Mothers nurse their pups for just 12 days, providing them with rich, fatty milk that allows for rapid growth. But after this brief period, the mother abandons her pup, leaving it to fend for itself on the ice. This abrupt separation seems harsh, but it's a necessary adaptation to the challenging environment, forcing the young seal to quickly develop its own survival skills. The humble house sparrow, a common sight in our gardens, harbors a dark secret. These seemingly ordinary birds are known to commit infanticide, killing the chicks of other sparrows to reduce competition for resources. This behavior is driven by a fierce instinct to ensure the survival of their own offspring, even if it means eliminating rivals. It's a stark reminder that even in the most familiar of species, the drive to perpetuate their genes can lead to brutal acts. Rabbits are often seen as symbols of fertility and abundance, but their maternal instincts can take a dark turn under pressure. When stressed or threatened, mother rabbits may resort to eating their own young. This seemingly horrific act is thought to be a survival mechanism, allowing the mother to regain nutrients and conserve energy in desperate circumstances. It's a chilling reminder that even the most nurturing instincts can be overridden by the need to survive. The adorable panda, a global symbol of conservation, practices a rather unsentimental form of parenting. When twins are born, the mother often focuses her attention on the stronger cub, neglecting the weaker one. This selective care, while seemingly cruel, increases the chances of at least 1 cub surviving, especially given the challenges of raising pandas in the wild. It's a pragmatic approach to motherhood, driven by the need to ensure the continuation of their lineage. The black bear, a powerful symbol of the North American wilderness, is another species where maternal instinct can be overshadowed by hunger. When food is scarce, a mother bear may resort to killing and eating her own cubs. This heartbreaking act is driven by desperation, a last resort to ensure her own survival in times of extreme hardship. It's a stark reminder of the brutal realities of life in the wild, where survival often comes at a terrible cost. The depths of the ocean hold a chilling example of pre-birth brutality. The sand tiger shark engages in intrauterine cannibalism, where the strongest embryo devours its siblings while still in the womb. This gruesome act ensures that only the fittest offspring survives, equipped with the strength and resilience to thrive in the challenging marine environment. It's a prime example of natural selection at its most extreme, shaping the survival of the species from its very beginnings. Hamsters, often seen as cute and cuddly pets, can exhibit disturbing behavior when under pressure. If a mother hamster feels threatened or her environment is too stressful, she may kill and eat her own young. This shocking act is thought to be a way of cutting her losses, conserving energy and resources in a situation where she perceives the survival of her offspring as unlikely. It's a stark illustration of the powerful influence of stress on maternal behavior, even in creatures we typically associate with gentleness. Our final entry takes us to the watery world of the bass, a fish known for its aggressive nature, even extending to its own offspring. In some cases, a mother bass will consume her own eggs shortly after laying them. This seemingly counterintuitive act is believed to be a form of population control, preventing overcrowding and ensuring that the surviving offspring have sufficient resources to thrive. It's a harsh but effective strategy, demonstrating the complex interplay between reproduction and survival in the aquatic realm. There you have it, the top worst animal moms. From abandoning their young to acts of cannibalism, the animal kingdom presents a diverse array of parenting styles, many of which challenge our understanding of maternal instincts. These seemingly cruel acts are often driven by survival strategies honed over millennia, ensuring the continuation of the species even if it comes at a cost. Isn't nature fascinating in its complexity? If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next time here at Nothing But Wild.